Kamusta Dalis and welcome back. In today's video, we're making a cute halter dress for a BJD doll. I'm so excited about this one because I've been wanting to make something for my BJD. So grab your materials and let's start sewing. First things first is to print the pattern, which is available on my Etsy shop. A quick disclaimer though that this dress is designed to fit an MST size BJD doll with the following measurements. So if you have something bigger or smaller, maybe skip this one for now or save for later. Now I'm not sure if this is just happening to me, but sometimes when I print the pattern, the edges get cut off. If that happens to you too, don't worry, just draw in the missing parts like I did and it still works fine. Go ahead and cut the pattern pieces. Then trace them onto a fabric. Not forgetting to add the necessary markings, especially the dotted lines on the back pieces. They're important later on. Let's start with the top part of the dress. Hem the top edges of the side panels. For the front top, sew the 4 darts to give it a shape. Then hem the top side edges. Once that's done, attach the side panels to the front piece by sewing them together. Now onto the long halter strips. Fold it horizontally and stitch both ends close. Leaving the middle section open. Trim the excess fabric . And turn it inside out. Find the center of the strip and line it up with the marked neckline of the top. Stitch it in place, and just like that, your top is done. Next is the skirt. Connect the 3 skirt pieces together and hem the bottom edge. After that, attach the skirt to the top of the dress. Sew the back of the skirt close, but just about 1 inch in. Make sure to sew along the second line, the dotted one and not the first. Add the velcro to the back for closure. And try it on your doll to make sure everything fits nicely. Trim off the extra fabric from the back. And there you have it. The halter dress is complete. One thing I really love about this design is the long halter strap that you can tie at the back or at the sides for a totally different look. You can even tie it at the front. Just make sure to alter the strip a bit longer to make it work. And that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below what outfit you think I should do next. Until next time, paalam!